What's going on, everyone? I'm Dave. We're gonna make some pork chops with a honey garlic glaze, and for dessert we're gonna grill the peaches and caramelize them in a honey bourbon sauce. Throw them on some ice cream. Let's get it started. Okay, the grill's all fired up. Nice temperature already on the plancha. We've got the pan heated up. We're gonna put in the honey, little soy sauce, and then I chopped up some cloves of garlic. And that's all that's gonna go into our honey garlic glaze. I'm gonna bring this to a boil, and then we'll let it simmer off to the side where it's a little cooler. Okay, we've got our sauce here. It smells incredible. I mean, how would honey and soy sauce and garlic not smell incredible together? But it came to a nice boil. What we're gonna do is we're gonna just slide this down to a cooler part of the plancha on the grill and let that continue to simmer. And we're gonna get our beautiful pork chops out here. Real simple. All we're doing is a little pinch of salt to each side. I'll add the salt to the other side when I put it on. I'm putting down a little oil. And we're gonna give it a nice sear first. Oh, I love the sizzle. Oh, the pork chops already smell so good. I love the plancha because it gets a great sear. Now these pork chops smell incredible, and all they have on it is the salt, but these nice thick cut pork chops, outstanding. I'm gonna flip them a little bit here just to get some of the sides a little off from where the high heat is. Okay, now we're gonna take out the peaches, slice those and get those going as well. Okay, so quite simply, we're just gonna half these peaches first here and then pull the seeds out. I'm just gonna put a little oil on here before I put on the honey and the bourbon, just so that these don't stick before we start caramelizing them. I want to get them in the nice hot spot. Some good char on these peaches. Now we've given the peaches a nice little char here. I'm gonna flip these over so they can start cooking on the bottom too, but just make these nice and sticky and gooey. Oh yeah. Beautiful honey all over. Keep this up on the grill. And now I'll char or play with a little fire. Now that's a beautiful thing. A little more for good measure. The honey and bourbon caramelization of them, outstanding. The smell right here. I wish you could all smell what I'm smelling. Or tasting. Now I'm gonna put a couple of these peaches on the plate to eat with the pork chops and the sauce, and then I'm gonna save some of these peaches for an ice cream dessert. Okay, these pork chops smell absolutely incredible, and all we've done is added a little bit of salt and given them a nice sear, and then we put them over to kind of finish cooking. They're basically done, but what we're gonna do is give them another kind of a quick sear with the sauce here, just to infuse some of this in, and we'll put more on after we plate it as well. So I'm just gonna mop on both sides. Oh, this smells incredible. The honey, the soy sauce, the garlic, all cooked together. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait to eat these. Look at that beautiful, beautiful pork chop. This first. Gonna add a couple of these incredible looking peaches on there. I'm gonna drizzle on heavily more of this glaze. Beautiful honey garlic glaze. Outstanding. Look at that. Oh my goodness, so tender. Get a lot of that sauce. Oh my goodness. The honey bourbon sauce, and then a little bit of this garlic sauce. So good. This is a great dish. So good together. You don't need anything else. These peaches and this pork chop will be more than enough for you. Don't mind me as I go in for more. The peaches go great with the honey garlic glaze and pork chop, but I definitely made enough to where we're slicing these up for a dessert as well, and this beautiful ice cream. And why not finish it off with a little drizzle of honey on top? Mm. Grilled peaches. Oh, honey and ice cream, you can't go wrong. This was such a fun cook. It's going to be even more fun to eat here in a moment. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe below. Let me know what you want to see cooked next. Be happy to do it. And remember, spread love through barbecue and ice cream.